What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today is Saturday and I'm about to hop on my computer here and edit Monday's video, which is actually Christmas. So I wanted to jump on here real quick and wish you guys all a Merry Christmas. If you don't celebrate, hopefully you at least have the day off and you can do whatever you want. If you do celebrate, hopefully you're with some family, maybe some friends, enjoying good company. But let's be smart today. Let's all get home safe. Don't drink and drive. Don't do anything that your parents wouldn't want you to do. Let's all end this year on a high note. We only have a few days left in 2023, about to be in 2024. That is crazy. Time is flying. But I just wanted to get on here, wish you guys a Merry Christmas. I am about 2 weeks or so behind on uploads. Basically, when I record to when that video comes out is about 2 weeks. So the video that you're going to see right after this is about 2 weeks ago. But I'm just recording so much content that it's really impossible to catch up unless I start posting on Saturday and Sunday as well. But maybe that'll be a thing for the future. Either way, I wanted to get on here, wish you guys a Merry Christmas. Let's get into today's video. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are back at our Dutchess yard and it is time to put this truck back together. The paint is completely dry. There might be a couple spots where it was a little thicker that are a bit tacky, but overall it is pretty good and it actually looks very nice. So the whole frame back here got sprayed, everything in the back, and then the plow frame on the front here also got sprayed. So we got to pull some tape off that we left on, like on the piston there, and then some spots in the back. But we got the wheels to throw on, and then we got to grab the sander from down in the yard, bring that up here, and get that bolted on here. Alright guys, so we got the truck pretty much put back together. All the wiring is just about done except for the tail lights, but we're going to hold off on that for a second. Pull this truck out, grab the sander, get it in here, lift it up with our chains, and then we'll back the truck under, drop the sander down, and while we're putting the sander together, Rodrigo's going to finish these lights up.
Let's go.
Alright guys, we just got back from lunch, but we got the hooks off the back. They were like that, grinded off. These are going to get re-welded on the sides here. Rodrigo's taking the ones off the front off, but the reason we're pulling all of these off is so the light bar can get mounted back here. And then in the front here, we took this headboard off of this old Swenson salt spreader that came on the truck because this Smith spreader doesn't have one on it. So we're going to weld that right on the back side, well, I should say front side there. So all the hooks need to get mounted on the outside. That way they're not in the way with mounting either the light bar or the headboard. But we're pretty much done with this spreader now. We just needed it to take the headboard off. So I'm gonna go park this down in the woods, and hopefully we can get all of that welded on and button that truck up.
What's up, guys?
Alright guys, so we got all of these hooks cut off. This one's gonna get welded on this side eventually, but we moved on to, you can hear the truck flashing right now. We moved on to this light bar. I don't know if I talked about this in the past. I think I did. But we've been having an issue getting this wired correctly. Everything inside here is all screwed up. So Rodrigo's working on that, but he got the other one over here cut off as well. So once we get that done, if we have time today, we'll take the batteries back off and weld these on. But we're really focusing on getting the lights done. That way we can at least drive this truck down to our shop, because we finally got it registered. Well, I guess there's no plate on the front, but on the back here there should be a plate, I think. Maybe not. There was a plate somewhere here. I don't know what happened to it, but it is registered. Oh, here it is actually. So we have the plates for this. So now we can at least drive it down to our shop and finish working on it down there. All right guys, so Rodrigo just finished up these lights. The only thing we can't figure out yet is the reverse. You see blinkers are on, they're both working. We got your salt spreader lights down here. Kev, hit the strobes. Parking lights. There we go. So the strobes are working with the parking lights, so whenever you want your strobes on, you just turn them on. We do have to dive into this at the shop, figure out the reverse lights up there, and we still have to wire these tail lights and reverse lights in for down here. But you have all the salt spreader lights here. We threw the plate on, and you have your light here for the wing as well. So we got all of these on. Rodrigo is taking this down to the shop with him right now, and tomorrow morning me and Kevin are meeting here. We're gonna load the 2 plows for this truck on the aluminum trailer, plus the front bumper and the welder and stuff like that. We're all gonna load that into the bed of my truck, and that is all going down to our shop with us in the morning. Tomorrow we will dive into this truck a bit more and try and figure out the electrical end of it, and then install all the plows and the bumper and whatnot, and make sure everything works on it. But it should be pretty good. So that's gonna wrap it up for this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.